Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the World War filter on TikTok. Okay, this is the effect. To get this effect, what you have to do, just go to the effect gallery. In trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and search for World War. Okay, the first one with 5.5 million videos. Okay, you got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, from the search, then what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for World War filter. Okay, and the first one, tap on it. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from For You page, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. Okay, so here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it. Okay, and that's it. You got the filter. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video. Okay, to use this one, what you can do, just start the recording. When you tap on the screen, okay, you will see the effect. So that's it, guys.